Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yray, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some red lipsticks for dark skin. In my previous video where I talked about affordable nude lipsticks, some of you guys requested that I do a red lipstick, and this is the video right here. I'm not a red person fan. Like, I don't really like to rock reds, but there are some of the reds in this video that I actually do like, and I thought it would be a good idea to come and share with you guys some of the red lipsticks and let you guys choose what really works for you. By the time you get to see it on my skin tone, that could also help you make an informed decision as to if you want to get those products or if you want to get these lipsticks. I'm not going to be talking in this video. I'm only just going to be swatching them and letting you guys see the details of the products or the lipsticks somewhere in this video, and also I would leave details of the lipsticks in the description bar. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. See you guys soon.